Alright, it's time to convert the couch into a bed. Please remove anything that is on the couch currently. You're going to remove the back cushions that are connected by Velcro. This is the hard part here. You're going to have to use both hands, but actually right here in the front, you're going to have to engage it from the front by lifting up the seat and taking two hands and guiding both sides down at the same time. So now you just take those back cushions and put them back in the holes back there to make it a bed. Put your pillows on, it's time to rest. So this thing sleeps about 1 or 2 small children. Alright, turning the bed back into a couch. Again, you're just going to remove everything that's on the bed. Take off the back cushions that are back there, again connected by Velcro. And again, you're going to need 2 hands to guide this thing up. So as you're pushing down, you're also going to be pulling up on the backing. Again, pushing down on the seat and guiding the back up. It's a little hard, so it's up and down both. So put on the back cushions and you're all done.